One of the best pieces of advice that I've received is from John Ward, the founder of the firm, who said once, when you're thinking of transition or change, think first about what you want to keep, then what you want to change. So sometimes what I advise families to do is to proceed slowly with haste, meaning there is an impulse for people to do things quickly and to make changes quickly. And so you need to respect that impulse, you need to respect the energy, but at the same time, what people do needs to be thoughtful, it needs to be strategic, it needs to be not just implementing tactics, but thinking about really what is our vision and what do we want for the future. A question I often pose to families is, whose dream is it? So it's one thing for the founder to have a dream and to attempt to implement that dream and to see it through. It's another thing for the next generation or the rising generation to have their own dream and to see that through. Because people sometimes feel trapped. And one of the most important things actually that I think needs to happen for families who really want to look at like wealth continuity over time is discovering what is the dream of the individuals who are involved here? What is it that they want? And how can we, in the best of all circumstances, support those dreams?